In today's world, having a reliable hand sanitizer is crucial to maintaining good hygiene, especially when soap and water aren't readily available. With so many options in the market, choosing the best hand sanitizer can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 best hand sanitizers that combine germ-killing power with skin-friendly ingredients. Whether you're looking for portability, natural options, or a luxurious scent, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Germ-X. The Germ-X hand sanitizer is a trusted household name known for its affordability and effectiveness. This classic sanitizer is perfect for killing germs quickly and is a staple for families, workplaces, and on-the-go use. Key features: Germ-X contains 62% ethyl alcohol, meeting the CDC's guidelines for effective germ killing. It also includes added moisturizers to prevent dryness, making it gentle on the skin while being tough on bacteria and viruses. Benefits and usage: this sanitizer kills 99.99% of germs within seconds, making it perfect for quick sanitation. Its non-sticky formula dries fast, so you don't have to wait before touching surfaces or objects. Simply apply a small amount, rub it over your hands, and let it air dry. Usability: the product comes in various sizes, from portable bottles to large pump dispensers, catering to different needs. Its lightweight consistency makes it easy to apply, and it doesn't leave a residue, ensuring a comfortable experience. Durability: with proper usage, a single bottle can last for weeks. The sturdy packaging prevents leaks, making it a reliable companion whether it's in your car, bag, or home. In the second spot, we have Bath & Body Works. The Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers combine germ-killing power with luxurious fragrances, making them a favorite among those who enjoy an indulgent sensory experience. Key features: these sanitizers are formulated with 68% ethyl alcohol for effective germ elimination. What sets them apart is their wide range of scents, from fruity to floral, ensuring there's a fragrance for everyone. Many options also include essential oils and vitamin E to nourish your hands. Benefits and usage: beyond sanitizing, these hand sanitizers provide a delightful scent that lingers, making hand hygiene a more enjoyable experience. They're ideal for everyday use and can even double as a light perfume alternative. Apply a dime-sized amount, rub thoroughly, and enjoy the long-lasting fragrance. Usability: their pocket-sized bottles are perfect for on-the-go use, easily fitting into handbags, backpacks, or even your pocket. The flip cap design ensures no spills, making it highly convenient. Durability: while the smaller size may mean frequent replacements, their affordable price and high quality make them worth it. The durable packaging ensures no leaks, even with daily travel. Coming in at number 3 is the Dr. Bronner's. The Dr. Bronner's organic hand sanitizer is a natural, eco-friendly option that's perfect for those who prioritize organic ingredients. This multi-purpose sanitizer is ideal for hands, surfaces, and even as an air freshener. Key features: made with 62% organic ethyl alcohol, this sanitizer is certified fair trade and includes essential oils like lavender for a soothing scent. It contains no synthetic preservatives or harsh chemicals, making it gentle on sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this sanitizer is incredibly versatile. It kills germs effectively while leaving your hands soft and lightly scented. Beyond hand hygiene, you can use it to sanitize surfaces or refresh your surroundings with its calming lavender aroma. Spray directly onto hands or surfaces, rub in, and let it dry. Usability: the compact spray bottle is easy to carry and allows for controlled application, reducing waste. Its non-sticky formula is quick-drying, leaving no residue behind. Durability: a single spray goes a long way, making each bottle last longer than expected. The sturdy, recyclable packaging reflects the brand's commitment to sustainability, making it a durable and eco-conscious choice. Taking our 4th spot is Honest Company. The Honest Company hand sanitizer spray is a family-friendly option that combines powerful germ-killing properties with a focus on clean, safe ingredients. It's a go-to choice for parents and individuals seeking a gentle yet effective product. Key features: with 62% alcohol derived from plants, this sanitizer is free from harsh chemicals like parabens, triclosan, and synthetic fragrances. It's infused with natural ingredients like aloe vera and glycerin to moisturize your skin. Benefits and usage: the Honest Company sanitizer provides reliable germ protection while being gentle enough for frequent use. Its hypoallergenic formula ensures it's safe for sensitive skin and even kids. Spray directly onto hands, rub thoroughly, and enjoy soft, clean hands without irritation. Usability: the lightweight spray bottle is compact and user-friendly, making it convenient for travel and daily use. The spray mechanism ensures even application, and the formula dries quickly without leaving your hands sticky. Durability: the robust bottle prevents leaks and spills, and the concentrated formula means each spray is efficient. With proper use, one bottle can last for weeks, making it both economical and effective. And finally, at number 5, we have EO Organic. The EO Organic Hand Sanitizer Gel is a premium option for those who want a blend of luxury, effectiveness, and sustainability. It's designed for people who prioritize both hygiene and eco-conscious practices. Key features: this sanitizer features 62% organic alcohol, essential oils, and nourishing ingredients like vegetable glycerin. It's USDA certified organic, cruelty-free, and free from synthetic fragrances, making it a top choice for natural product enthusiasts. Benefits and usage: not only does it kill 99.9% of germs, but it also provides a pleasant aromatherapy experience with its essential oil blend. It hydrates your hands while leaving them feeling refreshed and clean. Apply a small amount, rub thoroughly, and enjoy its soothing scent. Usability: the gel formula is easy to apply and absorbs quickly without any sticky residue. The sleek packaging makes it a stylish addition to your desk, car, or bag. Durability: a little goes a long way, thanks to its concentrated formula. The high-quality packaging ensures the product remains fresh and spill-free, even with frequent use. Choosing the right hand sanitizer is essential for maintaining cleanliness and protecting yourself and your loved ones. Each of these top 5 best hand sanitizers offers unique benefits, whether you value powerful germ-killing, soothing ingredients, or eco-conscious options. No matter your preference, having a reliable sanitizer on hand is a simple yet effective way to stay safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Thank you for watching, and here's to healthier, cleaner days ahead.